Having a website is like having a shop window on the internet. It's a place to show the world who you are and what you do. Whether you're a business, an artist, or just want to share your thoughts, a website is your platform. It's open 24/7, reaching people all over the world. You can share information, sell products, or connect with others who share your interests. A website helps people find you easily. No more relying on word of mouth or printed flyers. It's your own space to control and update anytime. Your website, your rules. Before you build your website, you need two things: a domain name and web hosting. Think of it like this. Your domain name is like your street address. It's what people type in to find your website. Choose a name that's easy to remember and reflects what your website is about. Web hosting is like renting space for your website to live on the internet. A hosting company stores your website's files and makes sure it's accessible to visitors. There are many companies that offer both domain names and web hosting. Do some research and choose one that fits your budget and needs. You don't need to be a computer whiz to build a website. Website builders like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace make it easy. These platforms offer pre-designed templates you can customize with your own content. Think of them like building blocks for your website. You can add text, images, videos, and even create online stores without writing a single line of code. Most website builders have drag-and-drop interfaces, making it simple to move elements around and create the look you want. A well-designed website is inviting and easy to navigate. Here are a few basic design principles to keep in mind. Keep it simple. Don't overwhelm visitors with too much information or clutter. Stick to a clean and organized layout. Choose readable fonts. Use clear and legible fonts for your text. Stick to 2 to 3 different fonts at most. Use high-quality images. Blurry or pixelated images make your website look unprofessional. Choose visually appealing, high-resolution images. Section 5. Finding your audience. SEO Explained. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how you help search engines like Google find and rank your website. When people search for keywords related to your website, you want to make sure your site shows up high in the search results. Use relevant keywords in your website content, page titles, and image descriptions. Think about what words people would use to search for a website like yours. There are tools and plugins available to help you with SEO, but the most important thing is to create high-quality content that people find valuable. Section 6. Phone a friend, making it mobile. More and more people are accessing the internet on their smartphones. Your website needs to look good on all devices, big or small. This is called mobile responsiveness. Your website should automatically adjust to fit different screen sizes. Most website builders offer mobile responsive templates, so you don't need to worry about coding it yourself. Test your website on different devices to make sure it's easy to navigate and read on all of them. Section 7. Numbers. Tell a story using analytics. Website analytics track how people are finding and using your website. They can tell you how many visitors you're getting, which pages are most popular, and how long people are staying on your site. This information helps you understand what's working and what's not, so you can make improvements. Most website builders have built-in analytics, or you can use free tools like Google Analytics. Section 8. Keeping it fresh. Updating your site. Once your website is up and running, it's important to keep it updated with fresh content. Regularly adding new blog posts, images, or videos keeps visitors coming back for more. It also shows search engines that your website is active and relevant. Make a schedule to update your website regularly, even if it's just small changes. Section 9. Ready, set, launch, your website journey begins. Creating your own website might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Remember these steps. 1. Choose a domain name and web hosting. 2. Select a website builder that suits your needs. 3. Design your website with a clean and user-friendly layout. 4. Optimize your content for search engines. 5. Make sure your website is mobile responsive. 6. Use analytics to track your website's performance. 7. Keep your website updated with fresh content. With a little effort, you can have a beautiful and effective website that represents you or your business to the world. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.